Welcome back. Daboli MLA Movin Gudino slammed opposition leader over morality issues. He said Pratap Singh Rane has no right to speak on morality when earlier he had persecuted his own power minister from his cabinet. However, Rane said law will take its own course. Various demands were raised at the session on Wednesday. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza said reservation of wards for OBC, ST and SC during municipality election will be done on the basis of population.
It was decided to fix his own cabinet colleague in a case, to file case against him, to give it to somebody to persecute him, not prosecute him. And this same person today talks of injustice being done, talks of character assassination, talks of Gestapo. Does he know what are these meanings, and does he know what are the morals? This person who happens to be the leader of the opposition has no moral right to speak on morality. It is he who fixed his own minister. He had no respect for the law. He does not believe in the law taking its own course.
There was my name raised in this house, but it is not connected with this, so I don't bother about these things. It's my name here. I am not responsible for it, and I am not. Let the law take its own course.
I had actually suggested that that they can contest election again.
Because sir, Movin bill हाडलेला तितून हातलेशेस्त एक क्लॉज ती तेंका जे फाटले कमिटी परत इलेक्शनान भाग घेवपाक परवानगी दिवची म्हणून कित्याक आताच्या कायद्या प्रमाणे एक फावट कमिटीन येयलो की फुडल्या फावटी इलेक्शनाक रावपाक गावना तुका ती अडचण काडपाचो प्रयत्न करता हांव.
The term is getting over in December 15.
Next session takes place, it is 6 months.
We'll examine it. We'll examine. I'll
you
be
have
in
to
touch
consider
with you.
because the elections are due.
I do think it is a
December.
very important issue.
Elections असा आणि वार्ड रिझर्वेशनाचे तुम्ही काय सांगू ना.
Because sir, ward reservation 33% महिला जातेले. OBC, ST, SC ठराविक पर्सेंटेज पॉप्युलेशनाचा त्या आधाराचेर जातले.
Elections for 11 municipal councils will be held on 25th October. Barring Ponda and Sakli, the term of rest of the municipal council expires on 11th November 2015. The schedule of elections is yet to be issued. The code of conduct for these elections will come into force 30 days prior to the day of the poll, that is from 25th of September. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj trained her guns on the Gandhi family in the Lok Sabha for targeting her on Lalit Gate. Amidst chaos and ruckus by Congress party in the lower house, she maintained that she has done nothing wrong. She stated that there was no conflict of interest in her case as her husband and daughter had not taken a single penny from Lalit Modi. Instant came down heavily on P. Chidambaram. Swaraj advised Rahul to go on a vacation, study misdemeanors of his family and raise queries before his mother Sonia.
Rajiv Gandhi government had allowed Anderson to flee as a quid pro quo arrangement with United States on giving a presidential pardon to one Adil Shehryar. मैं यहाँ के माननीय सांसद कांग्रेस के उपाध्यक्ष राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी को कहना चाहती हूँ, आपको बहुत शौक है छुट्टियां मनाने का. कहीं एकांत में बैठकर अपने परिवार का इतिहास पढ़िए. इतिहास में दर्ज है, उनको पढ़ें और लौटकर पूछें मम्मा बात सोची कि उससे हमने कितना पैसा लिया था. पूछें मम्मा 15,000 के हत्यारे को एंडरसन को डैडी ने क्यों छुड़वाया था. और पूछें कि एंडरसन को छोड़कर शहरयार को लाकर उन्होंने एक क्विड प्रो को क्यों किया था. कंफ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है ये मैं इन्हें बताना चाहती हूँ. अध्यक्ष जी, कंफ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट तब होता है पी चिदम्बरम वकील होते, वित्त मंत्री होते हैं और नलिनी चिदम्बरम को उनका अपना विभाग इनकम टैक्स की तरफ से वकील नियुक्त करता है. पति ललित मोदी के पासपोर्ट केस में वकील नहीं थे. और जहाँ तक मेरी बेटी का सवाल है, मेरी बेटी 9वें नंबर की जूनियर थी, 9वें नंबर की लिस्ट में 11 वकील हैं, 11 9वें नंबर के जूनियर को कोई एक पैसा भी देता है? 1 रुपया भी मेरी बेटी ने ललित मोदी से इस वकालत के लिए, इस केस के लिए हासिल नहीं किया।
नाम लिया है, उनका नाम लिया है, हिम्मत होना चाहिए सुनने के लिए, धैर्य रखना चाहिए सुनने के लिए।
Loan cases of mining dependents worth rupees 110 crore have been closed through OTS. Chief Minister Lakshmikant replied in the Assembly. Nationalized banks had received around 1,143 applications for the OTS. 141 cases have been closed by the cooperative societies and 106 cases by other financial institutions. CM assured the House that he will follow up remaining such pending cases with financial institutions.
नॅशनलाइज बँका कडल्यान 1143 एप्लिकेशनां ह्यो केसीस क्लोज जाल्यो. स्पीकर सर, कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँका कडल्यान 106 केसीस क्लोज जाल्यो आणि फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशना कडल्यान 141 केसीस क्लोज जाल्यो. आतापर्यंत 110 कोटी पेक्षा जास्त लोनां क्लोज जाल्यात. स्पीकर सर, नॅशनलाइज बँकाची परत फुडले परत 8-15 दिसान दुसरो कन्साइनमेंट येतलो. स्पीकर सर, ताणें ज्या बँकेचो उल्लेख केलो त्या बँकेन आमकां करचें ना अशें सांगलेलें ना. स्पीकर सर, थोडे फुडें आसात, थोडे फाटीं आसा. म्हाका खात्री आसा बाकीच्यांनी केलें म्हणटकीर हांकांय करचें पडटलें. जशें एकट्यान मायन सुरू केली त्यामुळे आता बाकीचे करिनात अशें म्हणू शकना, ताका करचें पडटलें. आतां करूंकूच जाय, आमी फाटल्यान लागतले आणि त्यामुळे बाकीच्या बँकांक जी बँक फाटी आसा ह्या गोष्टीन त्या बँकेकूय विशय फुडें व्हरचो पडटलो. आज हांव ते करपाक ना किंवा ते करिनात अशें मानपाक आनी अशें म्हणपाक हांव तयार ना. स्पीकर सर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.